Okay, so I wanted to pop in and do a super quick video and explain to you guys, I was just about to sit down and do an iMovie edit. And I thought this one I could easily share as a video with you guys and show you what I'm going to do. So I want to take this video that you can see here, and I want to add some pictures to it, and I want to upload it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my iMovie app to do that. So we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you the basics. Now it keeps the projects that you create, and that's the page it opens on right away. You click add a project. Now it gives you two options. This is just a standard movie. You can add whatever videos, clips you want. This is an established trailer, and we'll take a quick peek at those just because they're fun. And I use them for a lot of things. So they're a themed video movie. Let me turn on a little sound so you can hear. Now, we're not going to cover too much of this because we're not doing this, but this shows you how many cast members are in it, and it shows you how long your video is. If you decide you want to use this video, you click create. It will take you to your storyboard, and you enter your outline, all of your people, all of the information. Click on storyboard, add all of your pictures to create a movie. But today we're just doing a quick edit, and I'm adding a new project, and we're going to quick make the movie. So I want this movie that I showed you, and I want to add some pictures to it. So I'm going to start with the pictures that I want to add in the order I would like for them to appear, and the video. Then I'm going to go to the bottom and click create movie. And it opens it up here at the bottom. Now, the very first thing I do is I change the transition. This melds one to the other, and I'll show you what I mean. It makes them overlap. Did you see that overlap? So the first thing I do is change the transition. Unless you're doing a specialty, I just change it to none. Then from here, you can adjust and drag your pictures how you want them to. So it's got your start and end position. So we move it to where we want it to start. Click that spot where we want it to end, and you can adjust your sizing on this where we want it to end. And then we can adjust how long the clip is. Right now this clip is 6 seconds long, which is longer than I want it to be. We adjust that by dragging here, and you can see where it shows how long it's going to be. And we want that to be 3 seconds is long enough. And then we click on the next frame, and we can adjust that one. Now I think I'm going to actually move this one to a different spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up. Hang on. Pick it up, and I'm going to move it to the end. Change the transition. And then we're going to adjust this picture from the start spot by clicking the start arrow here, and then to the end spot, and adjust the length of the clip with this little arrow slide on to the next. So again, we want to size it so that it fits the way we want to start and then to end. Adjust the length of the clip. Now, this one is the video. There's something that I want to do. I want to remove the sound on this video. But first, I'm going to show you guys how you make this video fit. So you click on the little resize button and then you squeeze it down to fit so that the video fits the way you want it to. And see how it has sound.
I think I'm losing my mind.
I do like the sound,
Trying to stay inside the line.
but for this purpose we're going to remove it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to click on the clip. I'm going to click here at detach the audio, and then I'm going to delete the audio. So now it no longer has any sound in this clip. Now we have our last picture to size. And this one, I'm going to show you how to, instead of scrolling it, this is the Ken Burns, and I'm going to unenable that so it just sits as a straight shot. So we're going to adjust the length of it. .5. I want this total video to be under 30 seconds so that I can add music to it like I would want to. So we've got 3.1 seconds, 2.7, 2.5. Our video is 14.5 seconds, and then another 2.3 at the end. So let's watch it through and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm happy with how it looks. I'm going to click done. And from here, I can change the name of it. So I'm going to call it Coffee Winner. Oh, Eaner, Wiener. And then I'm going to save it by clicking on this save button. Clicking on it. Oh, click. And then it gives you a few options that you can use. We're first going to save it. And then it asks you what resolution you want to save it in. And it will export it to where I store all of my pictures. To my photo library. So click OK. And then when I go to my photo library, the video is here. So that is how you do a basic quick edit. We will cover more in depth at another time, but this is just the very basic of how you pop into and out of iMovie to do a quick edit. So I hope this is helpful. Have an amazing day, guys.